Yeah, so this is a 2006 Volkswagen Jetta TDI sedan. So my wiper motor transmission seized, or was starting to seize. So I picked up a used working one here, and I wanted to test it before I bought it. So I just disconnected the wire off my old one, and I wanted to plug it in to test it. But you can't use the wipers on these cars with the hood open. So the best way to bypass that is the sensors in here. Just take a padlock and it clicks right in. And now you can use your wipers with the hood open. And you can see it. You can see the lock there, and I'll release the hood now and it should pop out. There it goes.